Hello, good day to you all, and welcome to my video. I am Roner Dashel Sadiga of 12 Chem A, and today I will be talking about how chemistry can affect our food, or how our food. Today we will be talking about how chemistry is involved in our food. So first off, today we are going to be talking about eggs. Yes, eggs that you can get from any store. Maybe you can even get it fresh when you have a chicken, a hen, and a rooster. Both, yeah, at your home or backyard, or maybe your neighbor's house. So anyways, what is an egg?
Nabaligtaan ko, lagi ka raw tulala.
So an egg has been consumed by humans since before, way back then. About 6 million years ago. Since being a human became a thing. Like since humans were just there. Since there were humans, we have been eating eggs. Why, you ask? Because eggs are very easy to get. Just find a nest, and if you get lucky, there, an egg, you can eat it. You'll have to cook it. Did they cook it? I don't know, but yeah, you can easily get an egg. Just find a nest if you're lucky. But if you're not, you may get killed by the mother, or father, or any other predator. Or maybe at least get injured. Or maybe there's no eggs at all. But that was way back then, and now it's definitely different. If you get injured while getting an egg, it's your fault. So, an egg is practically a container. It contains a zygote inside, which later will turn into an embryo until it hatches and it becomes a chicken, or a duck, or a geese, a bird, a reptile, or even an amphibian. So you may be wondering, or not. I guess it doesn't really matter. So what makes up an egg? An egg is made up of three main components: the eggshell, the outer layer, which serves as both a container and a protector of the albumen, if I pronounce that correctly, which is the egg white, or the white of the egg, and the vitellus, which is the egg yolk, or the yellow part, reddish, orange, I don't know. I personally don't eat eggs because they come from chicken's butt, but a lot of people still do eat them. But of course, before you eat an egg, you have to cook it. You can cook it in many different ways. You can boil it hard or soft. You can poach it, bake it, fry it, do a sunny side, or flip it and do an over easy. But for this video presentation, I will be cooking it scrambled, because why not? So to cook an egg, of course you need an egg. You have to crack it, open it, and ta-da! And then of course you cook it. So now we will be going to the main point of this video, the chemistry. Why does an egg go from a liquid to solid? So an egg is made out of a lot of protein molecules which are chained together by amino acids with a fairly weak chemical bond. When you heat up an egg, the molecules get excited and move faster. This makes them collide with one another, and these bumps get very, very intense. So these bumps get very intense that, well, the bond holding them break apart. That process is called denaturation. That's a process. So as it gets hotter, the proteins move more and get tangled with one another. There's still a lot of water in the egg and protein. So it's a liquid because there's a lot of water. And since you're heating it up, the water evaporates from the egg, and slowly as it evaporates, the egg turns into a solid, which would make the because the proteins coagulate, and when it's overcooked, the proteins get too close, get too tight to each other, and the egg becomes rubbery. But for my scrambled eggs, since stirring was applied, it's not variable. It's made up of small curds, and rather than the one big one, but nonetheless they're exactly the same. So that's it for my video. I hope you have learned something of value from this video. Yeah, and so yeah, bye.